Welcome to Whiteboard Programming, where we simplify programming with easy to understand whiteboard videos, and today I'll be sharing with you important blockchain prerequisites you should be familiar with in order to kickstart your blockchain journey. So let's get started. Number 1. Fundamental technical knowledge. There are a few skills one should learn to become a blockchain developer. I would ideally recommend that an individual should have a good understanding of all various IT technologies, information security, and computer science. Further, the basics of following concepts is also a great add-on, starting with distributed systems and networking. So, a good understanding of how peer-to-peer or P2P networks function is a must, as it helps you create a good foundation in computer networks, which can range from routing to topology design of a network. This is advantageous as connected computers are used for processing transactions in a blockchain, and just a basic understanding of the working and the basic concepts will be enough for a beginner to start. Next, cryptography. Yes, the foundation of blockchain is cryptography, and the term cryptocurrency is originated from it. Now, I've already talked a lot about cryptography in blockchain, and there's a dedicated video to help you understand the concepts thoroughly. I would recommend you to go through it, link is there in the description below. Next, data structures. One needs to have an understanding of how fundamental data structures work in order to function with complex nature of blockchain. As in blockchain, the data is stored in form of blocks and not in form of tables, and the databases are replicated across the whole network, which we also call as distributed ledger. Having knowledge of data structures like linked lists, graphs, hash maps, search trees, etc. along with the knowledge of programming languages like C++, Java or Python is a great add-on. Next, cryptonomic understanding. So, cryptonomic is a word that signifies the mix of cryptocurrency and economics. It will help one to understand how cryptocurrencies are kept in check without being monitored by any central bank authority. You as a beginner should learn how the economic structure is working around the cryptocurrency world. This is not compulsory but does gives you a new perspective towards how things work in the crypto world. Number 2. Smart contracts. These are the programs which help in automating the transaction. It is designed to help in increasing the capabilities of blockchain technology without any need of middlemen or lawyers to settle a deal. These contracts are made with specific conditions or in particular situation, and only when these particular situations or conditions are met, the transaction will be processed automatically and only when required. Currently, auditing and optimizing of smart contracts cannot be done by many blockchain developers that I've seen. And if you can get your specialty into this, then surely you will have a lot higher hiring chances than your peers. Lastly, a developer should be very well aware of possibilities of a smart contract execution, and he or she should also be able to ensure that smart contracts are only executed when it is expected. Number 3. Decentralized applications. Next, you should acknowledge that decentralized applications form a major part of blockchain. So, you must get familiar with various platforms used to build a decentralized app. Here are some popular ones. Number 4. Learn to simplify. As fundamental principle of blockchain is that it is used to simplify a process in any business cycle. So, as a blockchain developer, you should be able to innovate various design thinking methodology and should carry a problem solving mindset. Number 5. Understand blockchain security. A blockchain developer should have some fundamental security skills like using elliptic curve digital signatures, Merkle proofs, cryptographic hashing, private key and public key cryptography. There are many frameworks in cybersecurity that are getting evolved for regulatory needs, legal needs and compliance needs, and as a developer you must get familiar with at least some of them. Number 6. Know the platforms. There are multiple frameworks in blockchain and learning all of them can be real confusion. So, one should know how to select the right blockchain platform for a particular use case. Some of the different blockchain platforms include Ripple, Ethereum and Hyperledger Fabric, and are a perfect choice for someone who's just starting off their journey in the blockchain world. Number 7. Distributed ledger expertise. A blockchain developer should gain an expertise in building distributed ledger technology, as it will help you in boosting the development cycle of your smart contracts. Number 8. Blockchain as a service. During the formation of consortium blockchain networks, skills of negotiation and collaboration are critical. This gives rise of blockchain as a service, but I think so that you've never heard of it. Well, it is the new latest thing in the market which refers to third-party cloud-based infrastructure and management for companies building and operating blockchain apps. Being familiar with such services will not just boost your chances to get a full-time job, but also can help you hunt down freelance consultant role in some startups or organizations, as there's a growing demand of such individuals in the market. Number 9. Learn to drive business outcomes. I personally believe that as a blockchain developer, you need to understand business impact your work can have. That's why one should build direct connections and explore data flow between customers, suppliers, and trading partners across the ecosystem. This will eventually help you in building more efficient project life cycles. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, be sure to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.